So you've got a website, and you know that connecting with your visitors, like right now, is absolutely crucial. But what if I told you there's a way to get all the power of live chat without getting locked into another one of those monthly subscription fees? Well, today we're diving into a really smart solution that does just that. You know, every business owner wants that little chat bubble sitting in the corner of their site. I mean, it's a direct line to your customers, right? It's how you answer questions, build trust, and honestly, close deals in real time. But as we all know too well, that awesome connection, it almost always comes with a recurring price tag. And this slide just lays it out perfectly, doesn't it? On one hand, you've got that instant connection that can totally transform your customer service. But on the other hand, you have this constant, nagging financial drain that's just chipping away at your budget month after month. It really feels like you're being forced to choose. Okay, so why are we stuck in this loop? This is the key. It's because those traditional tools, they build their own complicated platforms. You're paying for their fancy dashboards, their back-end servers. You're basically just renting access to their system. And that got somebody thinking. Yeah, what if the powerhouse you needed was already sitting on your phone? What if you could just completely bypass the need for a whole new separate system and just plug into something you're probably already using every single day? And that is exactly the idea we're going to break down. The whole solution is about powering your website's live chat using an app that millions, and I mean millions, of people already know and trust, Telegram. Let me tell you, it's as simple as it sounds. A visitor lands on your site, and they type a message into the chat widget. That message completely skips the clunky dashboard and lands instantly inside your Telegram app. You see it, you reply right there, and your response appears back on the website. It's just seamless. This right here is the game changer. Think about it. By using Telegram as the engine, there's no separate platform to maintain. There's nothing to rent. You just pay a single one-time fee to build the bridge that connects your website directly to your Telegram. That's it. All right, so how does this whole thing actually happen? Is it some kind of tech wizardry? Nope. It's way more straightforward than you'd think. Let's just walk through the journey of a single message from start to finish. It's really this beautiful four-step dance. Step 1. The initial setup connects your site to a special Telegram bot. Step 2. A visitor on your site types, "Hey, do you have this in blue?" Step 3. That message instantly pops into your Telegram support group, and it even tells you what page they're on. And finally, Step 4. You just type your reply in that group and boom, it appears for the visitor back on the website. A perfect, real-time conversation. So what do you actually get for this? I mean, is it just a simple message forwarder? No way. This is a complete live chat system with all the core features you'd expect from any professional tool out there. And just look at this list. It covers all the important stuff. You get real-time, two-way messaging, of course. Your conversations are logged. You even get basic tracking to see where visitors are coming from. It's got spam protection built right in, and you can even customize the colors and text to match your website's branding perfectly. It's the real deal. Now, this, for anyone who runs a small business, is the killer feature. You're not chained to your desk anymore. You could be out getting coffee, at a client meeting, literally anywhere, and you can still give amazing customer support right from the phone in your pocket. That's freedom. So to be super clear, what does that starter setup actually include? Well, it's everything you need to go live. We're talking the widget installation, creating and connecting the bot, enabling the two-way chat, branding it so it looks like it belongs on your site, and testing everything to make sure it works flawlessly on computers and phones. And the price for that entire all-in-one setup? $50. Just let that sink in for a second. Not $50 a month, not $50 a year, $50. One time for a permanent live chat solution on your site. When you stack that up against what other tools charge every single month, the value is just incredible. Okay, so who is this really for? Because while it's a super powerful tool, it's definitely designed with a certain kind of business in mind. Let's see if that's you. This is absolutely tailor-made for small businesses, for freelancers, for service providers, salons, clinics, consultants, anyone who wants the power of live chat without that burden of monthly fees. And hey, if your team already uses Telegram to talk to each other, this is an absolute no-brainer. It just slots right into how you already work. And this final comparison just puts everything into perfect perspective. The old way, it means another dashboard to learn, another monthly bill, another complicated system. This new way, the Telegram solution, it uses the app you already know for one single fee, and it's built to be simple, direct, and just perfect for working on the go. So really, the only question left is, are you ready to ditch all that complexity and finally stop paying those endless recurring fees? Are you ready to make your customer conversations simpler and way more efficient? Because this solution offers a very, very clear path to do exactly that.